How to create Among Us account. For this, you have to go ahead and launch your Among Us application first and foremost. You can easily download it from your App Store or your Play Store. So right here, you have to tap on I understand. Then it will ask you to join in using your Google. If you have multiple Google accounts, go ahead and tap on this drop icon and select a Google account that you want to join with your Among Us account. Then tap on Continue. Next step is to select an avatar profile and your name for your Among Us. I will leave my name as it is, however, I'll be selecting an avatar. Then once you are done, just tap on the Create Bubble at the bottom of the page. Next step, you have to scroll down and to sign in to Among Us, you have to tap on Continue. Then again, scroll down, give it a tick mark in the square box right here. Then again, scroll down and hit the Continue bubble. Go ahead and verify your age from here. Select your day, date and the year of your birth. Then just tap on Submit. Once you are verified, tap on the sign in bubble right here. And just like that, you have signed in to your account. Next step is to create your friend code. For that, you can just go ahead and tap on this refresh bubble right here. You will need your friend code to go ahead and invite other friends to join in your Among Us journey. Tap on Confirm once you have successfully selected your friend code. And just like that, you can go ahead and play Among Us with your friends or with the public as well. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.